Hello everyone, and welcome to another RivianTrackr video. So I ended up using some referral points to buy the tailgate bike pad from Rivian. I don't have a bike, so I give it to my buddy who does have a bike, but we're going to record some content with it and just look at, give kind of a review and thoughts on it, and then we'll show you what it looks like, how to install it, and then we'll throw his bike on the truck and see, how it works. So let's get started. So there is my buddy's bike, and here is the tailgate pad. We haven't installed it yet, it's just kind of hanging out here, but super cool, great material to be honest. Official Rivian letters, and it has a nice opening so that you can still see the tailgate light bar on it. So this is the official Rivian one. So I'm gonna grab my buddy here. We're gonna go ahead and put it on. We'll kind of walk you through how that works. It's pretty easy, and then we'll drop the bike in there, see how it acts, and then we'll kind of go from there. Okay, so here we go. So I got my buddy here who's gonna throw it on my truck, and so now one person can do this. And it's got a nice little grab, so it grabs into the tailgate there, so it is being held in place, and I'll help. My wife is here to help out as well, so we'll hold it in place. And then this oops. How many people does it take to put this on? So then you lift this part up. I'll hold it here in place. And then you're just gonna wrap these around the back here, and you'll tighten them up. Now what's really cool about this bike rack is that it does let you store or place up to 4 bikes securely. And then we're just getting that got caught inside there. Make sure it's tight on all sides here. Yep. And then they just clip into place, and we'll make sure that they're all there. How easy is that? Crazy, right? And then finally make sure the middle's in place. Whoop, we'll drop that. That just goes there. May have to just loosen that up a bit more. And then, of course, I imagine from the top here, you'll be able to pull the straps. Yeah, it's tight in like that. Oh, perfect. Beautiful. So here you've got it placed on the Rivian. So you've got your 4 bike spots, and we'll put up a bike now. What's great about this is the Rivian letters are exactly where the logo is, and they are reflective. So you'll be able to, other vehicles will be able to see that at night. And then the light bar shines right through, all while being really padded. This is nice. So we'll grab the bike here. Do you need help with the bike? You should get it. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna grab his awesome. What is this? What bike do we got here? A Cannondale electric. Really cool. So again, typically I would help, but not this time. So we'll go ahead and place it there. Bike fits in there, and we're gonna have to move the back. Okay, give me a second. Let's remove this cargo bar. All right, take 3, because I forgot to hit record. All right, so there it is. We're gonna go ahead and place it right here on this little pillow. There's 4 of them. The Cannondale. It's a really pretty bike. And so we'll tighten it up here while he's doing that. Additionally, what you can do is grab yourself your gear guard cable that you have and throw it in there. Wrap it around the bike as just an additional layer of protection, so that if it does, if someone tries to steal it, the alarm will go off and it'll be recorded through gear guard. And there it is. Can you wiggle it around, Ashley? Look at that. So pretty good. Here's what it looks like from the back. And you can mount 3 additional bikes with that. and you're protecting your vehicle so you're not scratching it up at any point here, up top as well as down here. And it fits great here. I did have to remove both cargo bars, so you will not be able to use this with the cargo bars, but you can plop your cargo bars on the top if you need to. And there you have it. That's what it looks like. And then just to take it off, you unzip everything and play this video in reverse if you want to. So one little thing we learned, that my buddy learned here while doing this, is that depending on how big your bike wheel is, it actually blocks these rear sensors. And so your parking sensors will continuously go off, alerting you that something's near you. So you will have to go into the vehicle and turn on the enable rear accessory so that it turns off the rear, kind of the same way if you were trying to tow something in the tow hitch. So that is one downside to it, but not a big deal, I think. Especially, I don't think everybody's going to be driving with this all the time. This is only when they're going out adventuring. But yeah, so it will block that there, but no big deal. And just so you guys, if you're curious how to turn off rear accessory or enable rear accessory mode, if you come into the settings, vehicle, driver assistance, it says rear accessory mode, and that will disable the rear parking sensors. You can also do that via the towing drive mode screen, though that might be a little bit more complicated. But you can come in here to trailer and do it there if you need to as well. But I think it's just easier to go into your settings and do it there. Well, as my wife just said, we're not bike people, but my buddy is. And so thank you for letting me borrow your bike and the tailgate pad. There it is. It's bright out, guys. Yeah, no, this is a fantastic tool if you're someone who likes to adventure and wants to take your bike out. Like I said, you just have to go in the vehicle, turn on rear accessory mode so that you can make sure that your parking sensors in the back are turned off. But once you do that, yeah, it's pretty good to go. And if you've got the gear guard cable, hook it up. It'll be just another layer of protection so that if you're out and about and you leave your bikes on your bed, you don't have to worry about somebody stealing it, which is really nice. And of course, through the Rivian mobile app, you can also view the cameras on your vehicle so you can always see if your bikes are still there. And if they're not, you can panic. But yeah, thanks so much again for watching, guys. I'll drop a link below to the Rivian gear shop where this is available and you can grab one. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.